welcome again. Today I started the one of the topic like the API and REST API. So first of all, let's understood what is the API. Just go and definition. An API is a set of rules that allow two software application to communicate each other. Let's think example of the restaurant. I go on to a restaurant and any customer go on to the restaurant and place an order. Okay. Then waiter takes your order and send the order to the kitchen. Kitchen prepares the food. Waiters bring the food back to you. What you understood in this? Let's go to the one example. You can see here. Suppose customer give the order. I like a burger. This is the client who is giving the order. Waiter API sends the order to kitchen. Kitchen acts like a server. He prepares the food. When food is ready, then it's returned to waiter and waiter returned to the client. This is the example of the restaurant API example. Okay. So what means how API work means API means there is the one request, then processing and then response. That is called the API. Okay. Now let's understood what is the REST API. Where API are useful? Lot of places you heard. Suppose we are checking the anything like the weather and the Google online payments. Everywhere API are using. Let's know what is the REST API. REST API means representational state transfer API. Is the type of API that follow the set of rules and it uses the standard HTTP methods to the communication between the client and server. This is also API, but there are set of rules. It's only support the HTTP protocol. Okay. What makes an API RESTful? Any API, what we can say is the RESTful API, it's follow the few principle. Use HTTP methods get, post, put, pass, and delete. Resources identify by the URLs. Okay. Each request contain the all resource information needed to process. Stateless is also said the stateless. What is the meaning of stateless? Stateless means each request contains the all information that server requires to process. He does not remember the previous request. That is called stateless. And it's the client server architecture. Only use the HTTP methods and generally it's returned the commonly format is JSON format. It's also support some other format but commonly supporting the HTTP and it has some status code in the response. Few status code I mentioned below like the whenever everything is okay it's correctly responding the 200 return. Whenever anything created 201, if request is not valid then 400. If some authorization issue, then 401. If resources not found, then 404. Any other in server errors, then it's return the 500. Okay. So this is the meaning of the API and RESTful API. In the next video, I'm going to show how we create the REST API. Okay. Yep. Thank you all for this details. This video is only the explanation of the API and REST API. Yeah, thank you for watching the video. And if you have any question, then give me the comment. I will reply as soon as possible. And if you like my video, then please like and subscribe. Thank you.